SMR is in a bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping slightly upwards. The extrapolations are saying that, let's see, strength is going to remain in place at least up till Monday, the 8th of September. Then after that, they might consolidate up till Tuesday, the 16th. And then after that, there might be a contraction of, if you like, maybe this expansion, the expansion that began on the 20th of August. Maybe a bounce thereafter, but no guarantee that any of these will pan out like this. It's extrapolating. This extrapolation goes all the way towards the next 30 trading sessions. You can easily imagine that. Yeah, the margin of error is very high, so you can bank on that. However, we have projections here saying 34.60, 50.49, 58.008, 62.77. Those are just the potential it has. Intraday high in this session 42.23 dollars. It is a, yeah, $42.3. Yeah, just a slight premium to current levels. Okay, let's see. Price pressure momentum. Let's see what's it's indicating here. The 10-day moving average is still okay. Is in trend mode. However, the momentum we have here, it's up 13.9%. Hasn't fed through to the 21-day moving average. Is gradually, yes, yeah. As a matter of fact, it's only the 10-day moving average that is positive. Every other thing is negative. This is a daily chart. It's not as fast or not as active as the 4 hour chart that would have been recording progress. I mean, hardly ever asleep, is always active apart from weekends. Yeah, here it's extrapolating high prices going all the way towards Friday, the 5th of September. Then we might get into a consolidation phase that may remain in place up till the next 1 week. No guarantee this time around as well that this will pan out. In terms of projections, they are all okay. They're all downward projections. Yeah, 42.39 is it a down projection? Just a slight upper projection. 40.97, 42.39. I think uh, we saw, yeah, up to $62 or thereabout on the daily chart. So here we have everything here. Okay, since it's active and it's also a short interval chart, 4 hour chart. It's active. It records what's going on. So post market and pre market volatility trading, it does record it. So everything here is amplified. Nothing here is negative. So strongly bullish. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what we have. Nuclear NuScale Power Corporation has partnered with Entra One Energy, committing $35 million to $55 million with the agreement lasting up till the 31st of December 2045. Okay, let's see. We have some readouts down here to listen to. Let's see.
NuScale Power, SMR, is gaining traction as retail and institutional investors focus on the growing role of nuclear energy in meeting global power demands. Optimism is particularly centered on small modular reactors, SMRs, which are seen as a scalable and cost efficient solution for both government and private sector needs. With surging energy consumption from AI, data centers, and electrification trends, NuScale is being positioned as a potential key player in the nuclear renaissance. Community discussions highlight the company's regulatory progress, including past NRC design approvals, which set it apart from newer entrants that are still in earlier development stages. Traders are closely watching whether SMR can sustain momentum and push to new highs, especially given the broader rally in nuclear linked equities. Comparisons are often made to competitors such as Oklo, another nuclear innovator that has captured speculative interest, though many argue NuScale's more advanced licensing and partnerships give it an edge. The bullish narrative is being reinforced by analyst upgrades and rising price targets, with firms noting NuScale's improved positioning after the latest policy support for nuclear energy. Speculation is also building around potential strategic partnerships with utilities, data centers, or defense agencies, which could provide both credibility and long term revenue visibility. Overall, sentiment is leaning positive as investors weigh the stock's breakout potential against the risks of execution, capital requirements, and competition. For many, SMR represents not only a near term momentum play, but also a longer term bet on nuclear power becoming an essential backbone of the modern energy grid.
Okay, so yeah, that was the readout. Let's see how active this market is for SMR. Okay, well, yeah, okay. I was wondering, we should have enough memory to see what's going on here. Okay, let's try this. It's coming up. Yeah, it's active. Yeah, let's come back to active trade. Okay, yeah, back on now. Let's see. Price is 42.51. Let's see what people are pricing or expecting to sell their positions at 18 here. So $43. People are expecting it to get that high. Yeah, 43.32, 43.47, 43.50. Yeah, I've seen went too far. 3.50, that was the last we saw. Okay, there's 49.79, 49.35. Yeah. So I mean, we saw projections going all the way towards $60 or thereabout. So the probability of this printing is not. We could test it here, 42.82. We could test it on with more data, 42.82, somewhere around there. Just has it not printed that already? Yeah. So okay, just okay. That's right around where it is right now, 42.82. I think we need to find something a lot more ambitious. We could try 46.92. So this is where the moving averages are. We try this here. If the moving average is greater than our target, then it's there's a good chance that it has the probability, the outcome, the calculation will give you a probability that is greater than 50%, 50% or greater. So it's the 10 day, the first value is what we're looking at, which is the 10 period moving average. So that moving average is less than 46.92. So we have a probability that is less than 50%. They try again for 6.92. Yeah. Okay, this time around is greater, 50.12. If we add 50.12 with to 55.47, it's going to give us 95. So divide 95 by 2, it's going to give us um, 45 plus 47. So I think, yeah, we have a probability of yeah, greater than 50%, but slightly greater than 50% that we may be able to test that. But let's see how things go. See what you make of SMR, and thank you very much for watching this video.